What if the NBA wasn't just an American league anymore? What if basketball's biggest stage expanded across the Atlantic and teams had to pay $500 million just to join? The NBA is reportedly seeking $500 million or more per team to join a new European league. But this isn't just about basketball, it's about power, money, and global dominance. This move could shatter the current landscape of international basketball and make NBA owners billions in the process. So why now? And who's ready to pay the price? Let's break down the numbers, the controversy, and the global shakeup that might be coming. The NBA is reportedly looking for $500 million to $1 billion per team to join a proposed European league. That's right, $5 billion or more in expansion fees from just 10 teams without touching U.S. franchises or revenue. It's a financial play that could rival the biggest expansions in sports history. To compare, some NBA teams themselves are valued at $6 to $10 billion. So these fees, not cheap, not casual. This isn't just expansion, it's a massive cash grab and power shift in the making. European clubs aren't exactly lining up with open wallets. Sources say elite EuroLeague teams like Real Madrid are interested, but even they think $500 million is way too high. Smaller clubs? Totally out of the question. The price tag feels more like a barrier than an invitation, and some believe it's intentional. NBA wants only the richest, most powerful teams. The message? Join our league on our terms or stay out. For NBA owners, this is a no-brainer. They get billions in new revenue without giving up US TV rights, without diluting their own franchise value, and without having to expand domestically. It's a way to grow the pie massively, tapping into Europe's huge sports market, all while controlling every dollar in deal. The NBA would essentially monopolize global basketball with NBA Europe as a premium product. It's bold, it's lucrative, and it's risky. EuroLeague teams operate differently. Many are part of larger sports clubs with different financial systems, revenue sharing, and league rules. They aren't used to the NBA-style buy-in and closed league structure. That means the NBA's proposal isn't just expensive, it's a cultural and business clash. Joining would mean giving up control, changing their model, and playing by NBA rules. Some might bite, others might walk. If it works, NBA Europe could generate billions annually. Think Premier League for basketball, massive TV deals, sponsorships, global fan bases. It opens the door for sovereign wealth investment, massive arenas, and European-based NBA superstars. This could reshape player development, international drafts, and global viewership. Suddenly, the NBA isn't just America's game, it's everybody's. But if it fails, it risks alienating fans, clubs, and leagues across Europe. NBA franchises are exploding in value. The Celtics sold for $6.1 billion. The Lakers might fetch $10 billion. Owners are looking for new ways to cash in without saturating the U.S. market. NBA Europe lets them expand value, grow brand power, and collect giant payouts. In short, NBA Europe isn't just a side project, it could be the next big frontier for league growth. This isn't about basketball, it's about business. Global, high stakes, and unapologetic. NBA Europe could become the biggest shift in sports since the rise of the Premier League. The question now isn't if it will happen, but who will pay the price to join. Is this a smart expansion plan or a power grab too big to succeed? One thing's clear, the NBA isn't playing checkers anymore. They're going all in on global dominance.